Now, let's get back to Amazon, our favorite company, our favorite story for a long time now. It says Prime Day was its biggest single sales day in its history. Our next guest was the U.S. CEO of Walmart. That would be the CEO of Walmart USA, by the way. Bill Simon is with us. Welcome back, Bill. Good to see you again.
Hey, Stuart. How are you today?
We hear that Amazon is so big that it's going to draw a political response to rein it in. And I think you believe that Amazon could be guilty of predatory pricing and could therefore be taken on antitrust grounds. Is that your point?
Well, I think if you look back at the history, you just look at Walmart, for example. In 2000, Walmart was the company of the millennium, could do no wrong. 5 years later, it was under fire from everybody for everything, including regulators. And Amazon's sort of following that juggernaut growth path that Walmart was on a few years back, and now they're starting to come under scrutiny for some of their labor and hiring practices. And you know, it's admittedly, well, not admittedly, but well known that they've got some difficulties with a difficult place to work. You're starting to see people complain about the way they price, and they scrape prices across the market. So I think it's entirely possible that, given their practices, they're going to start to face increasing pressure from regulators and lawsuits about their pricing practices.
But Walmart is coming back very nicely against Amazon. You've got your own online sales operation. You've got the pickup idea. You not dial it in, but you go online to order, and you drive your car, and Walmart fills your trunk with what you've bought. Walmart seems to be the best responder to Amazon at the moment. You agree with that?
I do. They've done a really good job taking the assets that they have, the physical assets, and integrating them into the digital world. And that's really what they're doing with the pickup programs and the order online and scan for pay. Walmart's done a very good job, and they've been aggressive in that space. It's still got to pay out, though. I mean, if you sort of look at where Walmart was trading a couple of years ago, it was up at $20, $15 or $20 higher than they are today. So that's not come without investment. And the difference between the two companies is, by the way, at over $1,000, I think Amazon's price is so high. But I thought it was overpriced at $400 several years ago. Yeah. And the reason that I think Amazon will continue down the path that it's on is that the street continues to reward the behavior that says, I'm going to break even in retail, make a little bit of money in web services, and grow the top line at a phenomenal rate. And that sort of leads them to the place where they might come under more scrutiny. So it's going to be an interesting next several years.
Is. Yeah, you make a lot of enemies when you're disrupting so many industries. Bill Simon,
yes, sir.
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again real soon. Thank you, sir.